Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with a review video. Ooh, I've been telling you guys, the ultimate jet ski boots arrived. I want to show you guys unboxing this one, and I really truly believe this could be the best one on the market to buy. You guys ready to see this? Because I'm excited. I haven't put them on yet. I'm gonna ride with them this weekend, so I'm just super excited to be trying these things out. I'm just like, oh man, excited. If you see my last videos, I have the BRP Sea Doo boots, and they started coming apart on the back of the sole, and I had to use like really strong adhesive glue to keep them together. They still work, and I can wear them, but they're just, you can totally tell that I glued them all around to make sure that they don't completely fall apart. So this is kind of showing this could be, well, this is obviously my replacement boot, but this could be the ultimate boot. Now, are you guys ready to see this? All right, let's time to show you. All right, this is from a company called Works H20 Designs. The boot is called the Alpha 1. I got in the ripcord red, size 10. They only come in like whole size, or not half. They don't come in half sizes, they're whole sizes. Are you guys ready to see this? Check this out. Alright, they come with a pair. I bought an extra one too. They have these like aqua socks that they say you have to wear when you wear these to slide them on and get your foot in and out. So I got an extra pair, so basically I never have to worry about when, like, if I have to wash them or dry, just have another pair just to throw on. And they're pretty nice socks too, because look at that, they got their logo on it. They kind of come with the whole too, is check this out. This is the whole process of putting on the boots. Pretty cool logo too, I have to say. Let's see, here's a little bit more detail on the boots. Look at the bottom how it says, let me turn it to the side so you guys can see it. This side down, oh, these are pretty neat. And you can like customize changing stuff too, where you can put your own logos and whatnot on them, which is pretty cool. I just kind of wanted to see what they were before I do anything custom. So here's the boot. And I have to say this is pretty cool, because like I think they have a thing that goes over this, like a sticker. I didn't really think I wanted to do something like that, but this is Velcro's on and off, which is pretty nice. But the stitching is really good. So you can see how thick the stitching is. Get some better light. See how thick? So like when you look at my Sea Doo boots, it's hard to tell if they were stitched, but they aren't like really good stitching. Like the sole on this is really hard, like a shoe hard. The other one was really flexible on the Sea Doo. But look at this. This is this side down. And I think they have graphics so you can change this color to this a different color, but who sees the bottom of your shoe anyways? But it's a really nice boot. Man, I can't wait to wear these. Usually I don't wear these like around unless I'm like jet skiing, so like right before I get in, and then as soon as I get out and get everything loaded up, then that's when I take off the boots. So I don't wear them like the whole entire day or anything. But this is a very nice boot. The nice thing too is the tip of your toe. It's not hard, but it's kind of like a good thing too if you doesn't have it where you bump your toe. Here's the other pair. Let me go inside and grab my Sea Doo boots so you guys can really see a difference too. But it's just a really nice boot. I mean, the stitching, they come in like, I think it's all black and then the same color with blue stitching. I went with the red because I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. I'm really happy with it. Let me go grab the other boots. Here's the BRP Sea Doo boots, and here's the Works H20 Designs Alpha 1. Now it's telling too, is like you see, look at, you can barely push down the toe, front of the toe right there, and see this, it just completely goes down. So there's no protection. Now I want to show you guys too the backs of these, because it kind of gets the idea of what I was talking about with them having the this one has this tag. Let's move the tag away. Alright, now it looks stitched. it looks stitched. But when you look at the design, see how thick the stitching is? The chances of these things coming apart are going to be like next to impossible. They're a lot made differently. The material's a lot stronger too. So the BRP ones, I think, are like $100. These are $129 on their website, and for $129, just paying like, let's say, $30 more, you're definitely getting a whole completely different design boot. And I tell you, these things look, I mean, like I said in my last video, these are nice boots. So like if you got them and they still work and stuff, I mean, I wouldn't get rid of them. I mean, I'd still probably wear these every once in a while. Maybe, I don't know, but it matters how these feel. I haven't worn them yet, but so far, I'll tell you guys, these things look really nice. It's just too bad the quality isn't a little bit better on this. I wouldn't say this is a racing boot at all. This is one to be racing, hard riding, and it's just really grippy. Because I know, like, for example, what happens on this ski, now see, sorry, it's a little messy here, because I'm letting these dry out. But see, the grip on this is real rough in texture. And on the RXT-X, it's real smooth. So when you're having like this, see, I'm just sliding. So when you jump in high in waves, you're just not gripping. Now, with having this, I'm really putting force into get it move. It's gripping. You can actually hear the trailer moving by me. It's just not moving. Then you got this boot. It's just like, it's just like, there's no grip. It's not gripping, it just pushes forward. And this, put effort, see, it's moving, but it's holding more grip. So obviously, let's see what it looks like underneath. It's hard to do this, but you can tell the difference. The traction. This is a really, the soles, see, it's just real flexible. It's like almost like a regular water shoe. Then this is, feel like this, I can't even flex it. This thing's like a sole, like a tennis shoe. You can't flex it. This is completely flexible. This is hard. And it has all the drain holes at the bottom too, so it gets the water out. Now let's talk about some of the key features this boot has. Now some of the key features this boot has, it says specialized, fit around ankle, minimize debris and rocks. I know when I wear these and I go, like if I go beach on the side of like when I'm out on the jet ski and I go on the beach and beach it, this thing gets loaded with sand and I'm like crazy. I have to actually take them off to rinse them out. So I really be curious of how this would have sand coming in. And the crazy thing is sand's not getting the ankles. It must be getting through, see, like the holes at the bottom are just so big. They're about the same. So I'd be very curious to see what the difference is. It has the quick release lace pull, and this is a lot different between these two too. I mean, the rope in it is the lace rope is a lot thicker than the Sea Doo one. It has an ankle plate patch. You can customize this with your race numbers or sponsor logo. So definitely we're going to put together some type of like Am Beowulf one, maybe Works H20 Designs will do something up cool for me. And then like I said, it has a reinforced toe cap. Sea Doo does not. And let's see, on the side, it has side ankle strap with support. Both have the exact same thing. It says on the bottom here, it has strategically located drain holes. So you got some up here on the top and some at the bottom and right there in the mid. And it's awesome where it says this side down. These are definitely, it kind of reminds me of using Kill Bill. I think at the bottom her shoes had something, I forgot what it said, but it had some message underneath, and that was like pretty cool. I think it was in the movie, and I'll have to look that up, but it's kind of almost like that. It's pretty cool. So I have to say, I'm very excited about launching using these boots this weekend, and I definitely think it's a good buy. I've been looking online. I know Jet Tribe, I use all their stuff, and they have like a new boot coming out. I didn't order it because it's not available, I'm gonna order that and probably do a comparison of all three. We kind of know what's going on with the Sea Doo. Is they're a nice boot, but they're not built to last. And you know, I'd be real curious to see what happens in a full season of riding these and what the condition is, because this barely made it. And like I had to say, I had to glue these things, and the boot looks brand new, except for there's all this glue. And I did like a really clean job doing it, and then when it dried, it just, yeah, it really was coming apart. I was actually like one day, it's probably this one's the worst, is like this was detaching, the sole was detaching off the boot. So I kind of really glued them up so that I could wear them, because I was basically waiting like a whole week to get these when I ordered them. Because I think I ordered them like on a weekend. So it took a while, but I tell you, they look really sharp. And they have the socks to go in there too. So let's see what all happens with this. And, you know, I'm excited to try out these boots this weekend. So it's kind of cool to have a new set of shoes to go out jet skiing. So this is the end of the video. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like it. Make sure if you're new to the channel, I'm Beowulf. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And to my subscribers already subscribed, man, hell yeah, let's do it. Let's build this big channel on YouTube with jet ski related stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you be driven to win in life. And remember, peace out.